Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Middleton Mixology is probably one of the most versatile and exciting additions to any home bar, offering a sophisticated way to elevate your cocktail game and impress your guests with expertly crafted drinks right in your own kitchen. This innovative system simplifies the art of mixology, allowing you to experiment with a wide array of flavors and create unique concoctions that are sure to tantalize the taste buds and become the talk of your next gathering, making every occasion feel like a special event. Number 5. Modern Mixology Cocktail Shaker Set. Introducing the Modern Mixology Cocktail Shaker Set, your all-in-one solution for crafting exquisite drinks at home. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to become a master mixologist. This versatile set includes an 18-ounce shaker, jigger, strainer, and more, allowing you to mix and shake your favorite cocktails with effortless ease. It's an essential addition for any home bar enthusiast. Crafted from top-grade stainless steel, this shaker resists rust and wear, ensuring it stands up to countless cocktail-making sessions. You can rely on its robust build for years of enjoyment. Featuring practical tools like a hawthorn strainer and ice tongs, it simplifies your drink-making process. Each component is designed for user-friendly operation, so you can focus on creating delicious beverages. Keep your bar tools neatly organized and ready with the elegant pine stand. Its sleek design complements any decor, allowing you to showcase your mixology skills in style. Offering exceptional value, quality construction, and aesthetic appeal, this set is perfect for personal use or as a thoughtful gift. It's ideal for beginners and seasoned bartenders alike, making every gathering memorable. While dishwasher safe for convenience, a simple hand wash will preserve its brilliant finish and extend its lifespan for years to come. Enjoy lasting performance and easy maintenance. What we like. This set offers a leak-proof design for mess-free shaking and includes a stylish pine stand to keep your tools organized. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-clean option that looks great on your counter, this is the one for you. What people say. The Middleton Mixology is a well-designed and functional product. It offers a great user experience with its intuitive interface. The build quality is excellent, making it a durable choice. Number 4. Modern Mixology Pro-Graded Cocktail Shaker Set. Introducing a comprehensive 21-piece cocktail kit designed for creating a wide variety of drinks. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, and the included recipe book will help you explore mixology like a pro. Crafted from high-quality, rust-resistant materials, this set is built to withstand regular use. Each tool maintains its appearance and functionality, making it an excellent addition to your bar tools collection. All components are neatly organized and accessible on an open-view wood stand. Its portable design allows you to mix drinks anywhere, making it ideal for parties and gatherings. This versatile set is suitable for various settings, from home bars to outdoor picnics and parties. The travel-friendly bag makes it easy to carry, meeting the needs of both casual drinkers and professional mixologists. This complete kit offers tremendous value for creating diverse beverages. It's an ideal gift for home bar enthusiasts or anyone looking to improve their mixology skills. What we like. This is a comprehensive 21-piece set that comes with a recipe book to help you explore new cocktails. If you are a beginner looking to expand your mixology knowledge or need a portable setup for parties, this kit offers outstanding value and versatility. What people say. The Middleton Mixology is a fantastic addition to any home bar, offering a wide variety of classic and contemporary cocktail recipes. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate through the extensive recipe library, ensuring you can find the perfect drink for any occasion. The device is well built with high-quality materials, and its compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. Number 3. Mixology Craft Cocktail Shaker Set with Bamboo Stand. Unlock your inner mixologist with this complete 10-piece bartender kit. It includes everything you need to craft professional-grade drinks right in your own home. Keep your bar essentials neatly organized and stylishly displayed. Our custom bamboo stand features precision slots for each tool, adding a beautiful touch to your countertop. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel, this set is built to last. Enjoy durable, rust-free tools that are easy to clean and provide a reliable, leak-proof seal. Perfect for both beginners and experienced hosts, this kit makes crafting cocktails simple. Precise measurements and an integrated strainer ensure smooth, bar quality results every time. Looking for a sophisticated gift? This barware set is ideal for housewarmings, weddings, or holidays. It's a high-value present for anyone wanting to elevate their home bar. What we like. Featuring an elegant bamboo stand and rust-resistant stainless steel tools, this kit is designed to be both stylish and durable. If you are a novice looking for an easy-to-use set that also doubles as a beautiful decor piece for your home bar, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Middleton Mixology is a fantastic addition to any home bar, offering a wide variety of cocktail recipes and techniques. Its intuitive interface and clear instructions make it easy for both beginners and experienced mixologists to create delicious drinks. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials that ensure longevity and a premium feel. Number 2. Bartesian Premium Cocktail Machine 55300. Introducing the Bartesian, the revolutionary way to create delicious craft cocktails right in your own home. Say goodbye to complicated measuring and pouring. Simply insert your chosen capsule, select your desired strength, and press mix. It intelligently draws the spirits and crafts your perfect drink in seconds. Enjoy a wide variety of expertly crafted cocktails, from classic margaritas to sophisticated old fashions. Our capsules are designed by master mixologists for exceptional taste. Experience the convenience of a fully stocked bar without the clutter or expense. You only need to provide your favorite spirits, and we handle the rest. Maintaining your machine is a breeze with its automatic and manual cleaning cycles, plus dishwasher-safe parts. This ensures every cocktail is fresh and delicious. Our recyclable capsules are filled with real juice concentrates and extracts, clearly dated for optimal freshness. Enjoy premium ingredients in every drink. What we like. This machine offers push-button simplicity for creating craft cocktails with minimal effort, thanks to its intelligent capsule system. If you value convenience, variety without complexity, and an easy-to-clean design, this is perfect for effortlessly enjoying bar-quality drinks at home. What people say. The Middleton Mixology is a fantastic cocktail shaker that makes crafting drinks at home a breeze. Its sleek design and durable construction are impressive, and it feels substantial in hand. The shaker seals tightly, preventing any leaks during vigorous shaking, which is a common problem with other shakers. Number 1. Mixology and Craft All-in-One Cocktail Shaker Kit. Introducing the Ultimate Cocktail Shaker Kit. It includes everything you need to craft your favorite drinks like a pro, from martinis to mojitos. Crafted from superior stainless steel, this set is built to last. Enjoy its durable construction and easy-to-clean, polished finish for enduring performance. Designed for your convenience, each tool makes mixing and pouring simple. Accurate measurements ensure a seamless experience every time you craft a drink. Elevate your home bar or bring it to parties and events. This versatile set is perfect for creating a wide array of cocktails for any gathering. Packaged in a stylish tube, this kit makes an impressive gift. It's perfect for weddings, celebrations, or any occasion to impress. What we like. This is a complete 16-piece set featuring a 24-ounce cobbler shaker, designed for ease of use and superior durability. If you're looking for a versatile set that comes in a stylish, gift-ready presentation tube, this is ideal for home bars, parties, or as an impressive present. What people say. The Middleton Mixology is a fantastic addition to any home bar, offering a wide variety of cocktail recipes and instructions. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate through different drink categories and find exactly what you're looking for. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials that feel premium to the touch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.